Thinking about selling online but not sure if your product ideas will fly? Without the right product research tool, you might get lost among the almost 10 million Amazon sellers. Helium 10 is a go-to for both new and seasoned sellers. But is it the right fit for you? In this video review, we'll dive into Helium 10's top features, and I'll share some tips and tricks so you can kickstart your product research. Let's dive in. Helium 10 offers a comprehensive suite of tools for Amazon sellers, including product research and Amazon SEO. It provides performance analytics for over 450 million products and lets you gain insights from spying on competitors. Trying to figure out what to sell online can be a super confusing process. Using an Amazon research tool offers a significant advantage for e-commerce business owners by helping them discover and validate product ideas using real data. These tools analyze sales trends, monthly search volume, and competition level, ensuring you don't waste time sourcing or marketing a product that nobody wants to buy. This helps you make smarter choices by using easy-to-understand data insights, so that you can find the right product to sell and start making money online. While you can save up to 25% if you sign up for the annual plan, I typically don't recommend ever signing up for a year unless you know you love the software. If you are brand new to product research, the starter plan at $39 per month can get you off the ground with its powerful product and keyword research. If you become a heavy user and want to remove the limitations, you'll have to opt for the Platinum plan at $99 per month. The Diamond plan is geared to established sellers who want to optimize their listings and business operations and can afford the premium price tag of $279 per month. If you're pushing serious sales volume on Amazon, Helium 10 also has an AI-powered PPC management tool called Adtomic, which starts at $399 monthly. Bigger companies in competitive markets may want to check out Market Tracker 360 for $500 per month. But if you're just starting out, pump the brakes on the higher-priced plans. We've hooked up e-commerce CEOs with a coupon code for up to 35% off on Helium 10 plans. Check out our Helium 10 discount page for the best deals and video tutorial on redeeming our exclusive discount code. You honestly have nothing to lose because Helium 10 is a trustworthy company with a money-back guarantee. Have you ever bought anything online and had to jump through a bunch of hoops to get a refund? There's nothing more frustrating than trying to get your money back and having to deal with a company that doesn't respond. It totally feels like you're getting scammed. Helium 10 offers an unconditional 7-day money-back guarantee, and their support team works around the clock 24/7. We gave Helium 10 a perfect value score of 5.0. It can do pretty much everything you need it to do as a beginner for $39 per month. Helium 10 has a great reputation and they tick every box we look at in terms of delivering value for the money. Helium 10 also has a free plan and I'll show you how to get the most out of each feature. Starting with Black Box. Black Box is an ideal tool for discovering and evaluating products. When using this tool, I recommend that you skip this simple interface. The advanced filtering may seem overwhelming, but trust me, it ends up being much easier to use to get the information you'll need. Once you're in the Advanced tab, it can seem a little bit overwhelming, but I would recommend that you go through this filter library and get familiar with the presets. Let's say we want to focus on small and light products. Those are usually easy products to sell. Let's say I am a pet lover, so I want to go into the pet supply category. You could drill in further to pet supplies and even deeper into each pet type category, but let's just keep it broad for now. So when we click small and light, it automatically applies these filters for package size and limits the weight to 3 pounds. The other thing I would recommend is you just don't select Amazon because these are usually Amazon brands, and the competition will be fiercer. Try adding a minimum monthly sales unit of 300 sales as a starting point. Putting at least 10% in the sales change filter will limit your search results to only products that are growing in sales. Then hit search. This is going to show us some different products here. There's a lot of data, so I usually first focus on the monthly sales revenue and price. You could also look at last year's sales. You could look at the weight of the product estimated storage fees for 1,000 units per month. You can really get a lot of information here to help you decide what product to sell and how much it's going to cost you to store that product. So this is really a good starting place. Now we can sort by monthly sales and see which ones have the most sales in terms of units. This is cat food, so let's say you don't want to sell cat food. You could go back in here and you could start to narrow some of these filters. So we don't want food, so we'll put food in here. Okay, and now we can just apply. This is how you work the filters and drill down into specific products that you may want to sell. The next tool you need to know for product research is the magnet. Magnet is a great tool for beginners who already have some idea of what they want to sell, but need to drill down to something more specific. Let's say you're a pet lover thinking of selling dog bowls online. Overall, you can see it's kind of a downward trend, which could be enough to send you in a different direction. But if you're really set on dog bowls, what you can do is you can kind of see some related keywords here, and that's where Magnet is a really cool tool. I like to start out by sorting the Magnet IQ score. Basically what it does is it looks at the search volume and then looks at the number of competing products for that keyword. So a product with more search volume and less competing product will have a higher IQ score. Now maybe this could be an interesting product here, slow feeder dog bowls. When you hover over the keyword, Helium 10 will show you the top products. We see this is trending a little bit and there's less than 1,000 competing products. So that's how you can use Magnet to find trending products with less competition. The next feature in Helium 10 I want to highlight is Cerebro. Cerebro is a reverse ASIN tool that allows you to spy on your competitors' Amazon listings to find their profitable long-term keywords. All you do is visit the product page of any Amazon product you want to copy. Each product on Amazon has a unique Amazon standard identification number. You can grab that from their URL, then paste that ASIN number into Cerebro. And boom, you get their best keywords. You can then go back and use Magnet to further research product ideas or optimize your own Amazon listing using those keywords. Helium 10's Chrome extension comes as a part of the Helium 10 product research kit. Just download it from the Google Chrome web store and log in with your Helium 10 account. Once you enable the Chrome extension and visit Amazon.com, you'll have Helium 10's powerful data integrated without ever having to leave Amazon.com. X-Ray offers in-depth analysis of various products, niches, and markets directly on the Amazon portal. It presents you with important data points such as price history, sales volume, trends, and more. You can run Helium 10's X-Ray on any product category or search results page. You'll see the revenue of the top sellers and other helpful data. Supplier Finder is here to help you quickly find reliable suppliers. You can easily connect with manufacturers, check prices, and simplify your research process. Ranking on Amazon's organic results is the holy grail of e-commerce. In this example, the #1 organic result sold over 100,000 units last month. But it isn't easy. Everyone wants that coveted #1 organic spot. And Amazon's A9 algorithm is complicated. Thankfully, Helium 10's listing analyzer can provide you with insight as to what it takes to earn that #1 spot. It checks out stuff like titles, descriptions, and images and stacks them up against the competition. This helps sellers boost their visibility and ranking on Amazon, bringing in more sales. Helium 10 earns a 5 out of 5 when it comes to its beginner level features. It truly does it all, and you don't have to be on the highest plan to access this data. Once you get past that beginner phase, you can still use Helium 10, as it is much more than just a product research tool. You can use it to help you run and optimize your entire business on Amazon and even Walmart. In addition to Amazon SEO, Helium 10 can also help you with your PPC advertising. Their premium AI tools can handle the day-to-day management of your PPC campaigns. But honestly, it's probably too expensive for beginners who are not making any money. Before you hand over your PPC management to AI, I suggest you learn the nuts and bolts by managing it yourself. Our free Amazon advertising guide covers the basics. I'll link to our guide in the notes below. When it comes to scalability, Helium 10 earns a solid score of 4.5. You can see the scalability details on our website. We focus on the features for experienced sellers looking to increase sales, like PPC, review generation, and inventory management. Although the higher tiered plans pretty much do everything, it does come with a hefty price tag. Helium 10 does not offer a dedicated account manager and there's no phone support. They do have a fantastic training academy, help center, and 24/7 support. In my experience, their live chat is helpful and responsive. Jungle Scout, on the other hand, could use a little help with their live chat. I wrote a detailed article about how I got stuck in a bot loop over and over, and no human ever came to help. When it comes to Helium 10, they've earned a 3.5 for customer support. We have a full list of Helium 10 alternatives on our website. You can compare features and pricing and even filter down to find the best tool for your needs. Jungle Scout is awesome for checking out products and seeing what the competition is up to. People love how easy it is to use and the helpful guides for newbies. But if you're a pro, you might miss some of the fancy features that Helium 10 offers. Viral Launch is useful for checking out products, understanding the market, and finding the right keywords. One cool thing about it is the complete product launch service, which is super helpful for new sellers wanting to get started fast. But some folks think the interface isn't as easy to use as Helium 10. ZonGuru is one of our top-rated Amazon toolkits. With super accurate and up-to-date info from their Amazon partnership, it has easy-to-use tools made by top-notch Amazon sellers who want the latest tech. Our scoring is based on objective data points. We look for things like pricing policies and whether or not they have a certain feature. We also give less points if the feature is only available on the highest plan or through additional paid add-ons. And Helium 10 is our highest rated Amazon tool, coming in at an overall score of 4.5. Whether you are selling your first product online or looking for your next product to sell on Amazon, Helium 10 is totally worth it. Even if you are not selling on Amazon, it's still super useful to know sales data and product trends so you can sell it on your own website. The great thing is you can use Helium 10 for free. Please give it a test run and share your review on ecommerceceo.com. Your experience will help others find the best Amazon tool for them. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to learn more about e-commerce business and software, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, grab Helium 10 and let me know if it's worth it for you. Peace out.